With art now, darkness tends to ground the object, and light tends to make the object pop. So hence the reason when we're looking at, if you're using this technically on a two-dimensional surface, if we're illustrating three-dimensionally on a two-dimensional surface, primarily if you're using a regular pencil, we have to take shades into consideration. So light tends to make the object pop, darkness tends to ground the object. Now there's two ways three-dimensional illustration. Three-dimensional illustration is depicted on a correlation between mutually exclusive events or scenario, illustrating or demonstrating a three-dimensional depiction on a two-dimensional surface, primarily if you're using a regular. So ambiguity means indecisiveness. So this is my the reason why they have different shades, because I realized with this particular pencil I couldn't get the darkness I needed. If you understand chakra, there's a correlation between art and chakra, metaphorically and analogically, and that is your root chakra tends to ground you. With art now, darkness tends to ground the object, and light tends to make the object pop.